Hey, gals and guys, it's Christopher Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com. And to start with, this is going to be the last time that I film any tutorials or anything for the channel in this particular location. I'm moving on up to the top of somewhere. So this background will no longer be in the background. I'll have an all new background. So I'm moving into my studio, aka my apartment, all one and the same. And yeah. Do something. I don't know what I'll do in the background when I get there. We'll find out. It will be a work in progress. So this time out is a case study for sticker for last month for May. I did one before, and I'm going to do one this time. And I've already looked. So just, I'm not going to go, I won't be surprised at what I see. So as you can see, last month is $13.74. I made, and then they took $9.99 out of my account for this month. And as you can see, this has been approved. There's zero here. So here's the thing. It's June 5th, according to their documentation. That's when payment is made. So I'm not going to jump to conclusions and say that's zero right now. The reason I am filming before that is I don't want you to jump to conclusions either. If you're not seeing an amount there right away for last month, hold out. We're going to hold out until at least Monday. So Monday will be the 7th. And then at that point, if there's nothing that dropped, then we'll see. I don't want to make any judgment calls until that happens. So the next time I make a cut, I'm going to see you Monday, and you're going to see a new background, new place, and I'll show you around if you give a shit. If not, I'm still show you around. I'll post a video on it just for my self-gratification. All right, guys and gals, I will see you right after this cut.
All right, I don't know. To work with the anglage here in the background. And I probably should go over to this monitor and not this monitor anymore. And then I can look at you like this. And I'm not looking this way all the time, but we'll have to work on that. Anyways, as you can see here, they finally put in, I believe it was June 5th. So I do believe I read that it was the 5th of the month where they do put the total commissions in for that month. So as you can see, it's $14.25. So what I'm going to do is go over and bring this sheet over here so I can show you. And this is what's going on here as far as that is concerned. So remember last month, if you watched the video, it was $13.75 commission, $14.25 commission for last month, reported in June. So that brings us to a grand total of negative $62.69. Wow. So we're in the red still, which is no big surprise, actually. So I'm not sure if this goes up each month or what happens with that. So it'll be interesting to see if it goes up, if it remains the same. So you do get commissions month to month. Is it worth it at this point? I don't know. It's up to you. Obviously, we're in the red, as I indicated. So I don't know. That's why we're going to do this at least for a year, at least for 12 months, and see what happens. And then that's all we can do. All right, guys and gals and guys, this is my new place, and I'll have to do some arrangements, and I don't know, different angles. I don't know where I'm going to put stuff. I'm actually sitting on the floor right now because I don't have a desk. I just have two end tables with my monitors on them, and my keyboard. Oh, jeez. Keyboard right here, and my mouse on top of my tower, and it is what it is until it isn't. Okay, guys and gals, I hope this was helpful for you, and I got some videos coming up. I know it's been a bit. If you happen to watch the channel regularly, just because I've been moving, I got a new job, I just got shit going on, I guess, but I love doing this stuff, so I will continue to do it when I can. And if you could subscribe below and help the channel, I would appreciate it. Please like and share this video if you could. And then, of course, hit that bell thingy dingy dingy so you get updates and get some knowledge and more of these case studies and comedy, lots of comedy. All right, guys and gals, thanks for coming. I appreciate you. Bye bye.